me, sourdough is special because it links us back to our ancestors.
Sourdough is a process that makes bread more delicious.
Sourdough is a culture of naturally occurring bacteria and yeast.
It's a combination of water and flour, and when you add those together and you let the natural bacterias and yeast come together in there, it creates a live culture, and then we use that and we put that in the bread.
It adds like so much nuance to the breads that really isn't there with regular commercial yeasted breads.
Special that it's kind of alive, you know, you kind of have to feed it, you have to keep it happy.
I like to think of it as this like ancient mystical bread potion.
It's fed by the sugars from the starches that we get from the flour. So when we take Harriet, our starter, put that into our final recipe, we're basically just feeding Harriet again until we're ready to bake her off, and then we come out with a beautiful product that we know as sourdough.
A lot going on in here today. For me, sourdough is really special because I actually couldn't eat any wheat-based products before I started working here. Learning about sourdough and that process that makes it easier to digest, it's the way to go.
Sourdough is special, especially for these croissants here, because we don't use like the commercial yeast, which has been made to make baking pretty much just easier and faster over the years.
So I have two stories of customers. One, she was looking for bread without commercial yeast because she was allergic to it. I didn't know people could be allergic to commercial yeast. I was like, yeah, we don't even have any in the building. And so she was able to buy our bread and eat it, which I thought was pretty cool. Also, apparently there's people who are allergic to, I think, folic acid, which is the man-made version of folate. And so people who are allergic to that can also have our bread because we don't use flour with any additives or anything.
It's at least a 7-day process to just make the sourdough. And then after you actually mix the doughs and make the bread, it then needs to cold ferment again to get all the necessary nutrients that we know sourdough are good for you. You can make sourdough with just fermenting it at room temperature the whole time, but you lose out on a lot of the key aspects that make sourdough so great, which is that it's so good for our gut. It's what we've meant to eat for thousands of years. When you take away that whole time and that whole process of the yeast breaking down all the starches and breaking down all the proteins and the things that we can actually digest properly, it makes it just a better product in general.
It's more of a satisfying process than regular bread. You're more connected to the dough. Whatever you did the day before will affect the bread you do the next day. You're part of it in a way. Eat me.
I prefer sourdough because of the health benefits. I don't feel bad eating sourdough. I will honestly say I don't order sandwiches, regular sandwiches anymore, unless I know that they're made on true sourdough. Even adding like a pinch of yeast totally changes the way that my body processes it.
My brother is very sensitive to gluten, and so he can't have regular bread. When I started working here, I introduced the family to sourdough, like real sourdough, and now he can eat our bread and pastries and all that, which is really cool.
And especially for my grandma, it's been a beautiful story of being able to digest without any trouble. And her having celiac disease, there are many Thanksgivings with a lot of separate dishes. It's an honor to be able to serve somebody something that is the most traditional way that we could make a product.
That's kind of why I got into baking, to like make people be able to digest bread properly. I also noticed that whenever I would eat grocery store bread, it would make me feel bloated and bad. But whenever I ate the bread that I would make at home, I didn't feel any of those side effects. I'm always happy when I hear that, like, oh, I haven't been able to eat bread in like X amount of years, and I can only eat your bread.
I think that another great reason just to eat sourdough is to support a local business who wants to do things the right way and the things that, you know, bread's been made for thousands of years before baker's yeast was invented.
There's a little bit of aesthetic to sourdough. I think it represents something kind of unique to people, like community or like this timeless hospitality. Like when somebody gives you a loaf of fresh baked sourdough, like you'll remember that forever.